The brand sent me this unfinished birch wood panels kit. And honestly, this turned into such a sweet little craft project with my kids. This set comes with four unfinished birch wood panels, and each one is 4 by 4 inches with a 3/4 inch deep studio cradle. So they feel more sturdy and finished than a regular flat piece of craft wood. The main reason I liked these is that they give kids a real canvas style surface to create on, but with the look and feel of wood. For our project, my kids first used acrylic paint to color the wood panels. Since the panels are unfinished, they were able to make the background their own, and it made the whole activity feel more personal. They picked their colors, painted the surface, and let everything dry before moving to the next step. After that, they created their own paper dolls, and we used Mod Podge to attach and seal the paper dolls onto the wood panels. I really liked this part because it turned their drawings and paper creations into something that felt more permanent, almost like little mini art pieces. The size is also really nice for kids' crafts. A 4 by 4 inch panel is small enough that the project does not feel overwhelming, but still big enough for painting, collage, paper crafts, pouring, wood burning, or little decorative designs. It also makes the finished pieces easy to display. Once the paper dolls were placed, we added the final layer of Mod Podge over the top to help seal everything and give it that finished look. Then, once they dried, we displayed them on the wall, and honestly, that was my favorite part. Instead of their artwork going into a drawer or getting tossed later, it became something they were proud to see hanging up. I think this kit is a great option if you want a screen-free activity, a rainy day craft, a homeschool art project, or a creative weekend project for kids. It also works for adults who like acrylic painting, resin pouring, wood burning, mini signs, ornaments, gallery wall pieces, or handmade gifts. What makes these worth buying is that they are simple but flexible. You are not locked into one craft idea. You can paint them, decorate them, seal artwork onto them, use them for mixed media, or create small display pieces. And because you get four panels, each child can make one, or you can do a themed set together. Overall, this unfinished birch wood panel kit is worth considering if you want a sturdy little wooden canvas for kids' crafts, painting, Mod Podge projects, paper art, or displayable handmade decor. For us, it was a fun creative process from painting to sealing to hanging the finished pieces on the wall. If you found this helpful, follow along for more honest reviews like this one.